Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Draw option in Instagram. First, open your Instagram application and tap the plus icon to begin creating a new story or reel. Next, choose an existing photo or video from your device's gallery, or simply capture a fresh one right within the app. Once your media is selected, look for the squiggly line icon located at the top right of your screen. Tapping this will open up all the drawing tools you need to get creative. Now, let's explore the drawing tools. You'll find several pen styles available, including a vibrant neon, a classic marker, and a solid line option. To change the thickness of your chosen pen, simply use the convenient slider located on the left side of your screen. Below, a colorful palette awaits your selection, offering many hues. For precise color matching, utilize the eyedropper tool to grab any color directly from your photo or video, ensuring perfect harmony. Ready for some advanced techniques? If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just tap the curved arrow icon at the top to undo your last stroke. For more precise corrections, select the eraser tool to remove specific parts of your drawing. Want to change the background? Choose a color from the palette and long press on the screen to fill the entire background. You can also create a transparent color overlay by selecting a color and long pressing for a few seconds. Once you're happy with your artistic creation, tap the Done button located in the top right corner to finalize your drawing. Before sharing, you can further enhance your story by adding fun stickers, engaging text, or animated GIF. Finally, you have the option to share your masterpiece with all your followers as a story, or send it directly to a few specific friends. Remember, your beautifully drawn story will be visible for 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.